So Vishal, you want to talk a little bit about the song as it was back then and what it was like doing it now?
Yeah, I think it was year 1992 when it was my first break, and I was struggling in Bombay. I just shifted from Delhi. It was year 91 I shifted, and the serial was being made, produced by NFDC at that time. And someone else was supposed to do this song, but at the last moment he backed out, and Guldar Sahab called me that we have to do a song, but it has to be recorded tomorrow, and because it has to go on air day after. So it was a Sunday morning, and I went to his place and I played him some tunes, and he's a genius master, and he wrote this line, "Chaddi pehen ke phool khilay." And we recorded the song, and the song was released, and then it became like the big success. It was my first big
This
success.
was your first
This
song,
was my first song
your
with
first song
Guldar
in
Sahab.
Bombay.
And Bombay and with Guldar Sahab. And this became a big success. I remember on 26 January, the Ganatantra Divas parade, there was a jhanki which had Chaddi Pehen Ke Phool Khilay. So it became like a national anthem in those days. And, and then my career started. Then Guldar Sahab gave me break in marches. And then, I became a composer and then director. And after 23 years, when Amrita called me and said that we want you to revive that song again. And the situation was the same because I was going for my Rangoon shooting and I had only one day to re-record that song. And then Guldas Sahab and me and we met and we did this, and I'm so happy that it's again being liked by people. And I remember one thing, yes, that when it was released in 1992, a friend of mine called me from Bhopal. He said, the RSS Shakha behind their home, in the morning they sing this song in their morning Chaddi Pehen Ke Phool
Chaddi Pehen
Khilay.
Ke Phool Khilay.
Because
Well,
it
they
was
moved to long
Chaddi
pants
and
now.
yeah, and it was Kamal Kapoor. So this I remember so much, and so I thought it's worth mentioning today.
That's incredible.